Okay, can you guess where we are? Well, if you guess that we are in a North Carolina Starbucks parking lot, you're correct. So we are in a North Carolina Starbucks parking lot on our way to, Marcy, where are we going?
To Disneyland!
Yay! We're on
We're
our
at a Starbucks parking lot in North Carolina.
we think. And so,
And we're gonna go to Mama and Papa.
and what hotel are we staying at? The Contemporary. Not Pennsylvania, the Contemporary. Yeah, so this is my 30th birthday trip. We were supposed to go in August and then closer to my birthday, but this trip kind of butted right up to Thanksgiving. And we are staying at the Contemporary. We'll be there for 6 days. Well, we're doing 5 park days. Today will be our travel day. So we are headed there now, and we'll try to keep you updated along with the drive. Alright, we just stopped at Hardee's for lunch. This guy's doing so good on his first Disney drive. And we are stopping at Hardee's because it's just somewhere we end up stopping in the South all the time. But I just want to give you guys an update. It's about 11:47. We still have about 7 hours to go. Will we get there? No one knows. Alright, so we haven't updated you guys in a long time. We are at the Contemporary. We're staying in the Garden View rooms. It's like the sad, like, I don't know. It looks like the pits, but we'll see what happens, okay? We're on the 3rd level. Roy is climbing our car to get, he thinks he's really cool with this newfangled thing. Marcy, are you excited, Marcy? Are you excited?
Yeah.
Are you sure? This is Milo's first time. Milo! Nona's got to be here for everybody's first time.
Yep, all my grandchildren, the first time.
Woo woo! And Milo did so good, and Marcy, I think, did the best a kid's ever done on that drive. Okay, so we just got into our room. This is what it looks like. It looks exactly like the tower room. It's ginormous, and I think it's because we stayed at Port Orleans last time that I'm realizing just how big these rooms are. So you get the 2 full-size two queen-size beds, and then a pull-out couch bed thing that I don't know how big it is, but it looks pretty big. But I wish you guys could see just how big this room is. I wasn't aware that it was going to be the exact room as in the towers. Yeah, so the Garden View rooms tend to be a little cheaper. But we have a garden view, which actually we don't have a balcony, which, okay, triggered because I thought we were going to have a balcony. Oh my god. It's like, oh, there's like, that's so weird. Okay, so this is our balcony. I didn't know they could even legally do this. But there is no balcony on these. I thought there was. So anyway, well, that sucks because I would have requested like a bottom floor if I had known that, because they have like a patio. So pro tip, don't do what I did. But it looks like we have a view of the pool here. There are people in the pool. But anyway, it's a pretty good view, but I am a little perturbed that we just get this so my kids can fall through. Man. Okay, well anyway, it's beautiful here. It is definitely the Contemporary. Okay, so we're back to the room. I am going to place an order for the Contempo Cafe. Apparently every, Mars is getting changed. Apparently every meal that we order, like mostly will be mobile ordered. So we're just gonna do this now for pickup at 9:30. It's currently 9:03. And then I looked it up online. It's apparently like a 7-minute walk to the lobby. So we'll see how it goes. But Marcy's getting changed now because she still was in pajamas, and so was Milo. So we're gonna get him in clothes too. Okay, here's a cookies and cream monorail cupcake that we got. It looks so good, but they kind of like threw it in there, so it's like falling apart. Thanks, Roy. It like fell apart, but it's still so cute. Marcy said she doesn't want any of it, so I believe it's cookies and cream. Okay, so I got a chicken Caesar salad. They already tossed it in the dressing, which I was pretty impressed with. I thought it was gonna come on the side. And I got a side of fries too. Just vacation food. And Roy got the Angus burger. I think it's called like a Contempo burger, but all in all, everything looks good. And then mother-in-law got the spicy chicken sandwich. It's like remoulade, a chipotle remoulade, aka Roy's favorite. Hey guys, so it is future Amanda here, and I was just checking in because I think I'm going to end the video here. I think my original plan was that I was going to do a check-in day with a first day of travel and the first day at Magic Kingdom, but I've decided that I think it's best to leave the check-in day the way it is, because it's like a little tour of our room, just in case anyone ever want to know what the garden room looks like, and also see our amazing balcony. I mean, were you guys shocked? I was so shocked. But if you like this video, please be sure to subscribe to our channel because we have 5 park days coming up after this video, and then we go to Magic Kingdom twice and we go to all the other parks just once. But we had a really good time, spoiler alert. So if you enjoy these videos, please be sure to subscribe because I'm sure we're planning on going back soon, and it's Disney and that's fun. So please be sure to subscribe, like this video, comment, tell me what you like, tell me what you don't like, and I hope you guys are having a great holiday season.